Want to set up a Discord server? Here's how to build an epic Discord server from scratch. First, log into your Discord account. If you don't have one yet, hit register and create your account real quick. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen and click the plus icon. This is where the magic starts. This is how we create a brand new server. You'll see two options: create my own or start from a template. It gives you full control and works great for personal servers and growing communities. Next, Discord will ask what your server is for. You can choose club or community or friends and family. Now, give your server a name and, if you want, upload a server icon. Don't stress about this, you can always change it later. When you're ready, click Create. Boom! Your server is now live. Now let's invite some people. Click the drop-down arrow next to your server name and select Invite. Copy your invite link and send it on WhatsApp, email, or any social media platform. By default, that invite link expires in 7 days. Next, let's customize this server and make it actually useful. Click the plus icon next to text channels or voice channels to create new channels. And if you want to control who can do what, go back to the server menu, click Server Settings, then open Roles. From here, you can create roles like admin and moderator and decide exactly what permissions they have. And just like that, you've built your own Discord server from scratch. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button for more Discord tips, tutorials, and tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.